Hello, today we will discuss about the variable. We are familiar with the variables as discussed in the C while learning the C. Still, let us recall those knowledge. So a variable is a name given to a memory location. We are familiar with this one. Whenever we declare a variable, it means that we declare the name of a memory location where we store the data. It is the basic unit of storage in a program. The value stored in a variable can be changed during the execution and so the name variable. A variable is only a name given to a memory location. All the operations done on the variable affects that memory location. In C++, all the variables must be declared before use. That is also in case of the C. A variable name can be consist of alphabets, both upper and lower case, numbers and underscore character. However, the name must not start with a number. Declaring a single variable, data type, then variable name and at the end semicolon. So this is the syntax for declaring a single variable. Now if you want to declare number of the variable simultaneously, that can be declared like this one: data type, variable first name, comma, variable second name, comma, variable third name, comma. So these variable names are separated by the commas. So simultaneously number of the variable can be declared. Variable initialization. So this statement shows how a variable is initialized. So int age equals 20. So int age, using this one we declare integer variable age and simultaneously its value 20 is assigned using the assignment operator. Now let us discuss difference between variable declaration and definition. What is difference between variable declaration as variable definition? So variable declaration refers to the part where a variable is first declared or introduced before its first use. A variable definition is a part where the variable is assigned a memory location and a value. While variable declaration, no memory location is assigned. But in case of the variable definition, a memory location is assigned depending on its data type. Most of the times, variable declaration and definition are done together. Types of variables. So there are three types of variables based on the scope of variables in C++. Local variables, instance variables, static variables. So these three are the types of variables that based on the scope of the variable. What are local variables? A variable defined within a block or method or constructor is called local variable. These variables are created when the block is entered or the function is called and destroyed after exiting from the block or when the call returns from the function. The scope of these variables exists only within the block in which the variable is declared. That is, we can access these variables only within that block. Initialization of local variable is mandatory. Instance variable. Instance variables are non-static variables and are declared in a class outside any method, constructor or block. As instance variables are declared in a class, these variables are created when an object of the class is created and destroyed when object is destroyed. Unlike local variables, access specifier for instance variable may be used. If any access specifier are not specified, then the default access specifier will be used. Initialization of instance variable is not mandatory. Instance variable can be accessed only by creating objects. Next, static variables. Static variables are also known as class variables. These variables are defined and declared similarly as instance variable. The difference is that static variables are declared using the static keyword within a class outside any method, constructor or block. Unlike instance variable, we can only have one copy of static variable per class irrespective of how many objects are we create. Static variables are created at the start of the program execution and destroyed automatically when the execution ends. Initialization of a static variable is not mandatory. Its default value is 0. If we access the static variable like instance variable through an object, the compiler will show the warning message and it won't halt the program, and the compiler will replace the object name to the class name automatically. If we access the static variable without the class name, compiler will automatically append the class name. To access a static variable, we need not create an object of that class. We can simply access the variable as class name, scope, resolution operator, variable name at the end, semicolon. So this is the syntax for accessing the static variable. Instance variable versus static variable. Each object will have its own copy of instance variable, whereas we can only have one copy of static variable per class irrespective of how many objects are created or we create. Changes made in an instance variable using one object will not reflected in other objects as each object has its own copy of instance variable. In case of static, changes will be reflected in other objects as static variables are common to all objects of a class. We can access instance variable through object references and static variables we can access directly using the class name. Syntax for static and instance variable is like this one. Class name of the class example here, and then within open and close brace member function of the class static int a. Here we using the static keyword we declare the static variable, and int b, this is example of the instance variable declaration. So with this we discussed what is the variable, difference between variable declaration and definition, then types of the variables. So with this, till next period, bye and have a nice day.